Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Reverend Father, respected sister, teachers, and all my dear friends, a very pleasant and peaceful morning to you all. I hope you all are well and fine at your homes with the blessing of God. Today, we, the students of class 7th from St. Anthony's Convent School, are going to conduct the morning assembly.
Spontaneous prayer. Bless us, Lord, as we realize the grace of patience and perseverance in our life of faith. Bless us as we meet challenges in our life of faith, as it speaks a language that does not always sit easily with modern thoughts. Bless us during this season of Lent as we overcome the temptation to give up or give in. Amen.
Bind us together, Lord, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, bind us together in love. There is only one God, there is only one King, there is only one body. That is why we sing. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, bind us together in love. There is only one God, there is only one King, there is only one body, that is why we sing. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together with cords that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together bind us together in love. Bind us together in love. Bind us together in love.
Teacher's Prayer. God, our loving Father, source of all wisdom and knowledge, we thank and praise you for having blessed us with the divine vocation as teachers. In your divine plan, you have entrusted into our hands these innocent children with their young minds open to your divine wisdom. We thank, O God, for your divine assistance we experience in performing our duty of these children toward what is right and just, and in helping them to grow in selfless love for God and humanity. Compassionate and loving Lord, fill us with your divine spirit. We may live up our vocation with selfless motives and dedicated minds. Grant us the grace that we may fulfill all our duties with the most honesty and sincerity. Eternal Father, implant in us the qualities of meekness, modesty, gentleness, forbearance, and patience. Give us the strength and courage to set aside all our personal worries and problems so that we may serve the young ones with joyful heart and smiling faces. Dear Lord, today we specially pray for Mrs. Rita Ma'am. God of love, we come into your mercy and protection. All our students, parents, spiritual and political leaders, all officials in the administration who lead our nation and the state of Punjab, who seek your blessing, our entire school, its staff and students, bless us all with abundance of your grace to begin this day joyfully, praising your holy name, and to complete it gratefully, thanking your holy will. Accept our humble prayer, O Lord. Amen.
Flags position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Good morning. Today's thought. Patience and perseverance have magical effect before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish. I repeat my thought. Patience and perseverance have magical effect before which difficulties that disappear and obstacles vanish.
Maturity, patience, and perseverance are the three essentials to success and above all. Good morning, everyone. My name is Akriti. I am student of 7th JNM class. I am going to speak topic on patience and perseverance. Patience suggests tolerance of difficult situation. On the other hand, perseverance suggests determination, where an individual strives to achieve his target. In the absence of patience and perseverance, other qualities such as intelligence, wisdom, etc. will not be of much use of achieving success. Great poem, good work of art, and great invention are the result of patience and perseverance. King Bruce failed 6 times to make his country Scotland free, but he did not lose heart. With patience and perseverance, he was crowned with success. Hence, if you have infinite patience and perseverance, success is bound to come. No mistake in that. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. Today Raghavendra Gautam of class 7th Orchid is going to recite a poem in front of you all, and the title of my poem is Perseverance and Patience. Struggle today for a better tomorrow. Hard work pays, you should always know. No matter how tough may seem the climb, keep moving, keep fighting, one win at a time. Perseverance and patience go a long way, because for the sunrise, even the longest nights make way. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines: International news. Olympics IOC to bring vibes of world to Tokyo venues. Zurich Airport International Easy signs shareholder agreement for the development of Noida International Airport. Gold worth rupees 17.40 lakh seized from Dubai passenger at Jaipur Airport. National news. World Day for International Justice 2021 theme History and Significance. US shooting. 4 people shoot outside Washington Nationals baseball stadium. Tokyo Olympics Village reports first COVID-19 positive case. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
जने गने मने अधिनायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उज्जल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जया गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जया हे जया हे जया हे जया 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 हे.
Prayer before class. O most merciful God, grant me, I will teach you, attentively to desire, prudently to understand, and perfectly to fulfill that which is pleasing to you, for the honor and glory of your name. Amen.